What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. I want y'all to check out maplemotors.com to see all of our inventory, prices, detailed financing, and yes, we can ship these cars all over the country. Today we're going for a test drive in a 1967 Chevelle. This one's got a 350 under the hood with power steering. Looks like the heater core's hooked up, should have heat in it. I just got done doing a walk around on it, pointing out any kind of flaws that I can find. That way you know everything about this car. This one's got drum brakes all the way around, a really clean paint job, nice interior. Pretty good sound to it. It doesn't sound like the motor's been built. Should be a good cruiser. All right, we're gonna go ahead and shut this hood because it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Checking out the interior before I take off. I noticed the dash has a little crack over here. The rest of it's not too bad. A little dry. I mean, wouldn't take much to bring that back out. Go ahead and start it up. Starts up nice and easy. It's showing 1,700 miles on the dash. Definitely gonna stop and get gas before we leave here. Couldn't get none of the air controls to cut on. Blower motor's out. It's gonna need some work. Gonna need a new radio. The clock's not cutting on. Go ahead and place your bet. Do you think the horn works? Windshield wipers? Gonna have to get them worked on as well. Looking around the interior, the seats are in great condition. The back seat looks pretty good. Package tray looks nice, and the headliner is great in this car. All right, let's go ahead and try the horn. No horn on the steering wheel, but if you reach right up under here, horn works. All right, guys, let's take off. Okay, got our seatbelt right here. It is working. Probably hadn't been used in a while. Looks like it's got some dust on it. All right. Anything that I see that may be wrong with this car, I will let you know. That's why I do these videos. Go ahead and get my leg vent going here. Best thing about these vent windows, blows straight up your pant leg. Brakes don't feel too bad. Definitely gonna stop, get gas, because it's showing pretty close to E right now. And we don't want to run out. Steering's nice and tight. As soon as I turn, it turns. Car is pulling to the left. Every time I let go of the steering wheel. Gonna need the front end aligned. Kick down is not hooked up on this one. Speedometer's coming up on the dash, and the brakes feel pretty good. I'll stop it fast. Just a cruiser car. It's not loaded down with power or anything like that. So. Turn signals, I hear them. And every once in a while I'll get a flash out of this one on the dash. This one's working. I can still hear it as well. All right, guys, I'm gonna pull up in here and get some gas. here at the gas station. We're gonna throw about $20 worth of premium fuel in this car, and we'll check the gas gauge. Gas cap's right behind the tag in the rear. We'll check this gauge out. All right, we put $20 in, getting ready to turn the car on. Looks like the gauge is working. It's coming up. Should be around half a tank. Let's keep rolling. Gonna go across the street from the gas station here and get some outside shots. Got all my gear listed below in the description. If you're interested in buying some of the stuff that I use, I've been using the same pole for months. It's metal. It's called a telescoping tripod. It's one of the best things that I have. I use GoPro 7s, and on a real hot day like today, I use these towels. You get them wet, you just shake them and they get cold again. Pretty good stuff. Let's get these outside shots. Got y'all set back up in the driver's seat here. We're gonna take off and head back to the lot. Like a little bit of a slip from first to second. I'm gonna check my tranny fluid when we get back, make sure it's not a little bit low. Seems to be pulling nice and strong right now. Something about this road, a lot of people like to go slow on it, that's for sure. This guy's doing about 20 right now, so we're gonna turn on our road with the bump in it. Listen for rattles. You kind of tell on the suspension. The suspension's nice on this one, so it doesn't feel bad at all. So it didn't do it that time on the second gear shift. It did when we first took off. Here's the bump. Pretty smooth. I didn't really hear any rattles, shakes. And we got the green light. pull on back in the lot here. I got another car I want to get to today. I appreciate y'all riding along with me. Thanks again, guys. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all riding along with me. If you have any other questions, check out maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures, wheels, tires, parts, accessories. You can get finance options and shipping. Yes, we ship these cars all over the world. Just check that out at maplemotors.com. I try to post vehicles every single day, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you hit the notification bell, it'll let you know every time I post one. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all watching, and thanks again.